What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Saf coming at you with another YouTube video. It has been 3 years since the last time I uploaded a video for you guys, and I kind of want to apologize on not kind of giving you guys an update on why I fell off, why I was gonna take some time off YouTube. The reason for it was I kind of lost motivation. I didn't really know what I was going to be uploading to YouTube. I did have a whole lot going on. I started a new job, and part of that kind of just took up a lot of my time. So I kind of want to just dig right into this video and explain where we left off at, right? I had the Atomic Teal wrap on the M3. I had the Rohanas on there. Fast forward a year past that, I did end up wrapping the car in Nazatech Piggy Bank. I had a full set of custom wheels done by AR Motorworks, and I also had a ton of carbon fiber from PSM and also Lapdor themselves. So I'll go ahead and kind of drop the pictures of the build down on the screen here so that way you guys can take a look at it. Also, it kind of sucks because I did so much to that car, but I never uploaded it, and that's like my biggest regret. Not only that, but just like my biggest regret is selling the car. I don't really know what was going on in my head when I was selling it. I should have definitely kept it for longer. It would have definitely made me blow up. I know when I had it at the time and I had some photo shoots done and released, it was all over Explore pages on Instagram, and a lot of people were sharing it on random pages. So it kind of gave me that exposure for sure. Past year, I ended up picking up two cars. I ended up picking a 2013 Frozen White E92 M3. And just recently, I also picked up a 2018 BMW M4 in Frozen White. The new videos that you're going to be seeing from me are going to be of rebuilding the M4. There is a decent amount of damage done to it, but it's not something that's going to take a whole lot of time. I'm planning on ordering parts this week, and I have probably like 40%, 50% of the parts already. So it's kind of just fitting a time on when I can get it into the shop and get the repair started. So we'll definitely record a rebuild series on that, just so that way you guys have a view on what the car looked like when I got it, what it's going to look like when it's completely all done up. So I'm kind of excited on that. I also did a bunch of stuff to my E92 M3. I put a Studio RSR cage in it, lowered it on some BC Extreme lows, and also put some Volk TE37 in mag blue on the car. I do have a lot of carbon fiber still left for it. And honestly, I don't know why I haven't just had a time to put it on. Let me know in the comments which one is going to be your guys' favorite. Obviously the M4 isn't done and the E92 hasn't been completed quite yet, but when I get all those done, I'm going to enjoy every single one of them. The E92 M3, I've actually been driving it a whole lot since I got it, and it screams. It's amazing. It's just, I don't care the fact that it's a slow car. It's just the exhaust note, the engine, like you just can't beat that NA V8. Thank you guys for tuning into my new YouTube video and an update on what's going on in my life for the past 3 years and what we got to come. I know we have some great content that's going to be out here in the next couple weeks in regards to the M4 rebuild. So stay tuned for that. Do like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so that way you're informed when I do upload next.